After unveiling its bold and confident new Forester, the online community wasted no time in unleashing a barrage of criticism toward the automaker. While internet commentators are known for their propensity to criticize, the 2025 Subaru Forester became an especially easy target, drawing a barrage of negative comments on Subaru's Instagram post showcasing the SUV. Once a spirited crossover sharing its platform with the Impreza and WRX, the Forester boasted elements like a turbocharged flat-4 engine and even a manual transmission, endearing itself to enthusiasts. However, as the model evolved over the years, it gradually shed its original DNA, adopting a more compliant and mainstream identity. The latest generation marks a complete embrace of the SUV category, and early feedback suggests that its design is widely perceived as a significant misstep. Numerous commenters took issue with Subaru's design direction, urging a complete overhaul of the design team. Some even went as far as to express nostalgia for older Subaru models. After posting about the car on social media, fans ripped into the new offering with almost palpable vitriol. Here are just a few of those comments.
Subaru is trying to kill the company. What is happening with your design team lately? It's like you're trying hard to make it unattractive. Remember when y'all used to make cool stuff? Subaru, has everyone at the company been drug tested lately?
Suggesting that previous iterations had a more appealing aesthetic. It's essential to acknowledge that initial backlash towards Subaru designs is not unprecedented, with some models, particularly the WRX style variants, eventually gaining favor over time. However, Subaru's recent lineup seems to lack the universally embraced character that has historically characterized the brand.